So, hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming to check out our poster. My name is Dr. Jay Gardner, and I'm very excited to tell you a little bit about the work that I did with my fellow AAAS If Then ambassadors that are here with me, Dr. Claire Metters and Samantha Wins. And our project is really just a novel pilot environmental education program for middle schoolers to try and embolden their conservation stewardship, but then doing this through art. So I'll pass it off to Sam to just kind of kick us off for a little bit about what we did.
Hi, everyone. Thank you again. This joint project with my fellow incredible scientists and If Then ambassadors has really been a dream collaboration for me. Each of us has the same values and goals, yet different skill sets to really contribute to this project. As a conservation biologist and environmental educator, I bring ecological knowledge to the students. And as a Great Basin Institute employee working with the National Park Service at my park, Cabrillo National Monument, I can provide access to the awe-inspiring nature of our national parks. All of these factors combine to meet my mission of fostering environmental stewardship for the purpose of conserving this beautiful, beautiful planet. And in fact, this project, In Their Eyes, Conservation in Comics, aligns with not only my personal mission, but the mission of the National Park Service at large, which is to preserve the natural and cultural resources for the enjoyment, education, and inspiration of this and future generations. So it's really a winning scenario for everyone involved in this project.
Awesome. And yeah, so part of the reason why we really wanted to focus on comics is because in general, they have this natural ability to engage audiences, especially the youth, because of their storytelling and their captivating pictures, but also the pervasiveness that they are in today's culture, right? There's so many Marvel, DC superhero movies, and we can really capitalize on that. And so even though I'm purely a scientist by training, so I am a cancer biologist researcher, I also create science-based comics with the group that I started as a graduate student, just because I know how much power comics can have in terms of aiding better knowledge retention and someone's understanding about a topic. So when I first met Sam and Claire at the Ambassador Summit, I knew that this would be a great collaboration to bring all of our different strengths together. So not only are we able to embolden all of the student or empower all of the students learning through these comics and conservation, but we also get to see whether or not it's effective with what Claire is doing.
Thank you, Jay. Yeah, so from my end, from our initial brainstorming sessions at the If Then Summit, to all the way to making our ideas a reality and also executing this during a pandemic, each step of this collaboration has been both professionally and also personally really rewarding and meaningful to me. Despite our geographical distances and the diversity of our subfields in biology, we share a mission to help science education be fun, creative, and impactful. So as an assistant teaching professor at UCSD in the Division of Biology, I bring a background of both biology, but also biology education research. Collectively, we, as a group, we knew that we wanted to develop a program that would impact students' knowledge about their local ecosystems, their attitudes towards environmental stewardship, and finally, their perceptions of who scientists are, as well as their own identity as scientists. And by studying student survey responses, as well as using the Draw Scientist test before and after their participation, we are quantitatively and qualitatively exploring if there were positive impacts of STEAM lesson plans, such as our In Their Eyes Conservation and Comics program.
So that's our project in a nutshell. I hope you enjoy reading the abstract and looking at the poster for the data that we are starting to analyze. And just thank you so much again.